So, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we have to learn about the reversal English, right? So, this is a very important problem. I think a lot of company has to ask about these questions, reverse the list. First, we have to read about the how to reverse the list, right? So, just I have the input that's one, two, and three, and the four, add, and then null, right? So how to reverse? So if we have to analyze, so how we reverse? So firstly we have to go on the right one, right? So can we do one thing? Just we have to if the one has to assign with the new node, right? If you have to create the dummy node and the dummy node has to null, there is no any point of the there is no nothing to point any other data. So basically, what we can do, we just create one dummy node, and then that means the first which is the head node. That is the one which one is our head node, right? So the head node is connected with the dummy node, right? And the same thing, doing that, the two and the two is connected with the that means then we remove this line and just we have to go with the this line. That means we just back up the all the line, right? So then we just have to reverse and add 9. We just have to return the dummy node, right? Okay, so just I have to code, and you are the very understand very clear to very easy, right? So basically, firstly, what we can do, just we have to create one node, which is the dummy node, right? And the dummy node is basically first node of the null, right? And one more node, and this node is created for pointing to this, right? Just like if we have to the reverse, and just we have to break this line, and that like this, sorry, this line has to break, and then we have to point this. So basically we have to connect, that means we have to the attach, and we have the reference from the another one to connect the that means all nodes. So for that reason we just connect with this, right? Now, so the second node is the right current, and the current is also the now null, right? So we have to traverse while head is not equal to null, correct? Now what we can do, now there is that means the main thing is now, right? So what we can do, the first thing is while, that means sorry the sorry the first thing is from the we have to the dummy node, and the dummy node had to connect with the one. That means dummy node has to, that means the one, right? The one is connected with the dummy node. So what we can do, so we can do just that, and basically firstly we have to the current, right? This is the current node to assign with this, right? So what we can do, so the current node we assign to the new node. So the current is equal to where we have to head ka next, right? Now we have to assign the current is the head ka next. Now what we can do, now we have to the create the dummy node, and dummy node has to point with the one. That means dummy node has to point with the null pointer, and for that we have to that means we have to reverse the reverse. So the that means the first head, the first index has to connect with the connected with the dummy node, right? So basically just go on there, and just that means just we can write the code, and the what is the code, the code is current, and after the current we just have to create the dummy node, and dummy node has to connect with the no, this is the head ka next is equal to dummy node, right? And now what we can do, now we can do from the dummy node the firstly that means the our head is point to the current, but apart from that, Firstly, what we can do, we have to take from the data which is the dummy node, right? So the dummy node is equal to head, and head is equal to current, right? And the return dummy node, right? That is a very good and I think very important questions. I will tell you, right? Sorry. Hmm. Now see it will run or not. Yeah, it will run and submit. Yes, it will run. Yeah. Thank you.